Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G60S, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first go to the Google folder and launch the Gmail application. Right there on the right upper corner, tap on the icon and you'll see that we're just logged in into 2 accounts. And now just log out from one from this account. Tap here to manage accounts on this device. And here also we got these 2 accounts. For example, we wanna just log out from the first one. Just here tap on that and tap here to remove account, and again tap here to confirm. And as can you see, we just stay right now only with 1 account. And now we'll just check that here in our application. Yes, can you see we just here stay only with 1 account and we are just log out from the second one. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.